Welcome, kids.
Rainbow doodles, colors fly, crayons dancing in the sky. Red and yellow, green and blue. Let's make something bright and new. Draw a circle, draw a star. Little lines can go so far. Happy hands and smiling eyes. Magic art is a surprise. Rainbow doodles, here we go. Watch the colors start to glow. Up and down and round again. Drawing fun with every friend. Tap, tap, pencils, clap, clap, beat. Tiny colors on the sheet. Swirls and hearts and clouds so light. Every picture feels just right. Rainbow doodles, colors play. Making happy art today.